guys, today we will learn how to write letters G to V. Let's start. First, observe the order in arrows. 1. Go in circle. 2. Align left to right. Yes, it is G. Next. 1. Go down. 2. Again, second line down. 3. Align in middle to join both lines. Good, it is H. Next. 1. Go down for a line. Then second and third for top and bottom lines. Super, it is I. Now, go for last letter. 1. Follow the red line. 2. Draw the top line. Well done. It became J.
Guys, now observe the guidelines in order.
Go for first. Second. Third. It became K.
Now, go for all letters accordingly one by one.
It became L. It is M. Now, try for last letter. It is N. Guys, now try these one by one. Now, what we have done is O. Come on, try next. Next, it became Don't worry, P. It's okay. Next. Yes, it is. Now, for the last. Second. It is Q. Next. Please, guys, look and follow. It became R. Okay, now go here in toe steps. First, second, well done, it became S. Now, trace next letter. It is T. Jump for next letter. It is U. Try for last. You have done V. Well done, guys. You performed super. Now do practice at home. Thanks for joining Mini Minds. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more edutainment for kids.